Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-tackling a huge question I get all the time: how do I actually buy crypto? It can seem super complicated from the outside, but I promise by the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step roadmap. Let's demystify this together. First things first, you don't just buy crypto like you buy a stock from your bank. You need a special gateway, and that gateway is a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of an exchange as a digital marketplace where people buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. There are tons of them out there, like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. For a beginner, I'd suggest looking for an exchange that's known for being user-friendly and has strong security measures. Do a quick search for best crypto exchanges for beginners in your country, as availability can vary. Okay, so you've chosen an exchange. What's next? You need to create an account. This process is pretty similar to opening a new bank account online. You'll provide your email, create a strong password, and then comes a very important step: identity verification. This is often called KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. You'll likely need to upload a photo of your government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, and maybe even take a selfie to prove it's really you. Don't be alarmed. This is a standard security procedure that reputable exchanges use to prevent fraud and comply with financial regulations. It's there to protect you. Once your account is verified, it's time to connect a payment method. You need a way to get your regular money, like dollars, euros, or pounds, into the exchange to trade for crypto. Most exchanges offer a few options. You can link your bank account for direct transfers, which usually have lower fees but might take a few days to process. Or, for a faster option, you can use a debit or credit card, though be aware the fees for this are typically a bit higher. Choose the method that works best for you and your budget. Now for the exciting part: making your first purchase. With your account funded, you can navigate to the Buy or Trade section of the exchange. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available. Let's say you want to buy some Bitcoin. You'll select Bitcoin, enter the amount of money you want to spend, and the exchange will show you how much Bitcoin you'll get for that amount. Review the transaction details carefully. Check the amount, the price, and any fees. If everything looks good, you hit that Confirm Buy button. And just like that, congratulations. You are now officially a crypto owner. But wait, we're not done. After you buy your crypto, it sits in a wallet on the exchange. This is convenient for trading, but for long-term holding, many people prefer to move their crypto to a personal wallet for enhanced security. There are hot wallets, which are software-based and connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are physical hardware devices kept offline. We can dive deeper into wallets in another video, but for now, just know that you have control over where your digital assets are stored. So, to recap, choose a reputable exchange, create and verify your account, connect a payment method, buy your desired crypto, and consider your long-term storage options. Take it one step at a time and never invest more than you're willing to lose. It's a fascinating new world, and you've just taken your first step. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-understand crypto content. See you in the next one.